Hi. Who's walking? Who's walking? Max is walking, huh? Look at you go. Look at you go. There he goes. His first day of walking. Yay, Max. What do we have going on over here? We got Maya. She's riding her bike. Hi, Maya. There's Max. Oh, Maya's gonna turn around. You gonna turn around and come back? Need help? You did it. Uh-oh. Look at Maya riding her bike. Look at you riding your bike, honey. I'm watching out. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go.